You have one weekend, 2 days, and I am going to show you exactly how to use them to reset your entire home. Not perfectly, girl, but peacefully. And no, you do not need to take a week off work. We not doing that. And no, you do not need to rent a dumpster, although sometimes that is tempting. And no, you do not need to start from scratch and throw away everything. We not doing that either. That's not the business we're in, okay? But what you need to do, you need is a sequence, okay? You need a sequence, a specific order of operation that creates momentum instead of overwhelm. Because here is the mistake most people make when they try to reset their home. They start in the wrong place. Hear me. And when you start in the wrong place, you run out of energy before you run out of mess. So today, I am giving you the right place to start. So let's go. And so we have all had that moment. Saturday morning, coffee in hand, you look around and you think, today is the day. Today I am going to get this together, girl. I'm going to get myself together. And then 3 hours later, you are standing in the middle of your bedroom, surrounded by things you pulled out of the closet. You are exhausted. Nothing looks better than it did before. And somehow it actually looks even worse. Why? That is not a motivation problem. Let's make that clear. That is a sequencing problem. Hear me out. So the reset I am walking you through today is built around one principle. Start with the spaces that give you the most peace per square foot. Let me explain. So when you feel the reset working, when you can see and feel progress, you keep going. That is momentum. And momentum is what finishes the job. So before you begin, I have one rule for you. The one rule, before you touch a single thing, I need you to hear this one rule. Progress over perfection. Every single time. Progress over perfection. So this weekend is not about making your home look like a Pinterest board. It is about making your home feel like you can breathe in it again. Yes, ma'am. And so a 10% improvement that you actually finish is worth more than 100% vision that you abandoned by Sunday afternoon, sis. Say that with me. Progress over perfection, girl. And so, good. Now let's build your reset weekend, okay? So step one, by Friday night, set the foundation. I want you to set 20 minutes on your timer. Your reset does not start Saturday morning. It starts Friday night, okay? Friday night is about clearing the runway. So you wake up Saturday ready to go instead of already overwhelmed. You got to lay the foundation. And here is what you do on Friday night. And I am giving you 20 minutes maximum. So I want you to run a quick pass through the main areas of your home: kitchen, living room, bathroom counters, not to clear them. I want you to pick up anything that is out of place and put it where it belongs. Throw away obvious trash and do one load of dishes if you can. And this is important. I want you to write down your 3 priority spaces for Saturday. Not your entire house, girl. Just 3 spaces. The ones that are costing you the most peace right now. Okay? I want you to put that list somewhere you will see it Saturday morning. Okay? And I want that could be on your nightstand. It could be a sticky note on the wall so you can see it first thing. And then go to bed. Rest is part of the reset too, girl. That's part of it. And so that's the 3 spaces. That's your Saturday target. Here's why. Saturday morning, I want you to start with your peace anchor. Your peace anchor is the one space in your home that, when it is clear, changes how you feel about everything else. For most women, it is one of 3 places: the kitchen, the bedroom, or the main living area. Start there. Give it a few hours. And here is your sequence for that space. First, Remove everything that does not belong in that room. Do not organize yet. Just remove. That's it. That's all, sis. Then you put things in a pile or a laundry basket to deal with later. Okay. Second, wipe down surfaces. Okay. Clean the space while it is empty. Okay. And this matters more than you think because it signals to your nervous system that the reset is real. And third, put back only what belongs and what you actually use. Not everything you own, what you use. Okay. Number 4, give everything that is left a designated home. Okay. Not a perfect, a home. Okay. And when you finish that first space, stop. Look at it. I want you to look at it, breathe it in. This is what a reset feels like. That feeling is your fuel for the rest of the weekend. Okay. I want you to take a visible breath. Feel that, right? Can you feel that? It's my question. And that's what peace in a space feels like. Now let's keep going. Step 3, Saturday afternoon, tackle space 2. With one space done and your energy still up, move to your second priority space. I want you to use the same sequence. Return what does not belong, or return what belongs, and then give it a home. The things that do not belong in that space, okay? But here is something I want you to do in this space specifically. As you are going through things, create 3 zones. Keep, remove, decide later, okay? The decide later pile is important. It keeps you from getting stuck on the hard decisions and losing momentum because you don't want to get stuck in that, right? And so we are not solving every problem today. We are creating breathing room. And by the end of Saturday afternoon, you should have 2 spaces that feel lighter. That is a win, girl. That is a real meaningful win, okay? And give yourself credit for it before Sunday. Do something. It's a win, right? And then step 4, Sunday, which is the finishing sweep and the decide later pile. Remember that? Sunday is for 2 things. First, your third priority space using the same sequence. Second, the decide later pile from Saturday. Here is how to handle the decide later pile without getting overwhelmed. I want you to set a timer for 30 minutes. Go through the pile, okay? And for each item, ask one question. Does this belong in the life I am building or the life I am leaving behind? If it belongs in the life you are building, find it a home, sis. If it belongs in the life you are leaving behind, girl, let it go. If you still genuinely cannot decide, box it. Label it with today's date, all right? If you have not opened it in 60 days, it goes, okay, after those 60 days, all right? And here is what will determine whether your reset lasts or unravels by next weekend. A 10-minute evening reset every night. That's it. Before you go to bed, not a full clean, not a deep session, just 10 minutes. Walk through your reset spaces. Put things back where they belong. Clear the counters. Start tomorrow's morning at a 0 instead of a deficit. This is not about perfection. It is about maintenance, okay? It is about protecting the peace you just created, girl. Yes. And so the consistent small actions keep the reset alive far longer than one massive weekend ever could, period, right? And so you have everything you need to start your reset this weekend. Yes. But if you want something that walks you through each step in even more detail with a checklist, girl, a priority guide, a reset roadmap you can use over and over and over again, the Peace Reset Starter Kit was made exactly for this, girl. It is $27. It will save you hours of guessing and starting over. And the link is in the description, girl. And if you have not taken the free Peace and Capacity audit yet, do that first. because you want to be in alignment, okay? It will tell you which spaces and which type of overwhelm to tackle first based on your specific situation. And that link is also in the description, girl. So if you're new here, queen, subscribe if this helped you. Leave me a comment. Tell me which space you are starting with this weekend, child. Not this weekend. I genuinely want to know. Now, go create some peace, girl. You deserve it.